Now this is the dreaded 2112 code, very common in these F150 Ecoboost from pretty well, would that be 2011 on up basically. The throttle body goes bad and that creates the code. It makes it drive not well, it puts it into limp mode, it does a bunch of things that aren't really that nice. This can also be another issue, and sometimes it even kind of is a telltale sign that the rack and pinion is on the way out, which is really weird that it would throw an engine code. But I guess if there's nothing in the body module to throw it off, then at least you're getting something. So basically, the gears inside this little plastic housing go bad over time, supposedly. And that's kind of what causes this code, or at least it's one of the things. I could take it apart just to check, but realistically, that's pretty much where it belongs, so that's where it's going. And it feels like I've had, just the greatest luck, because I also just did this throttle body the other day on this truck. Also an extremely common thing to go wrong on the Ecoboost. However, again, very, very easy to fix. 4 bolts, 1 plug, remove this, done.